I'm Jeremy Sternhagen, Technical Marketing Manager at Planar Systems. The Planar UltraRes family of products features 4K image processing and advanced features. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to set up and use the scheduling feature. Using the supplied remote, navigate in the on-screen menu to the Advanced Settings option. Under Advanced Settings, you'll see an option for Schedule. In this menu, you'll be able to schedule a series of unique events. First, you have to set the time. The time can be obtained through an internet connection, or it can be entered manually. Once the correct time is entered, you're ready to begin scheduling events. Let's set up a few examples. For my first scheduled event, I want to have my UltraRes panel turn on every day at 9:15 a.m. I set the frequency to daily, the hour to 9, and the minute to 15. And finally, I set the action to be performed as turn on. Next, let's create a second event. For this event, I want a particular image layout recalled at 4 p.m. every day. I set the frequency to daily, the hour to 16, the minute to 0, the action to recall preset, and the preset I want recalled is saved as preset 4. For a third event, let's have the backlight turn down every day at 5 p.m. when the sun goes down. I set my frequency to daily, my hour to 17, minute at 0, action to backlight, and for my data value, I assign 50 out of a total value of 100. For a fourth and final event, let's have the panel shut off every day at 9 p.m. First, we set our frequency to daily, our hour to 21, our minute to 0, our action to turn off, and we're done. Thank you very much, and please visit planar.com or contact us if you have any questions.